Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, April the 9th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Excuse me. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. And this is a link to get into our free room. This room is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Of course, the market is closed tomorrow, Easter Friday. Now, in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 25% off. You'll see the promo. It's Easter egg, all in capital letters. And that promo will be good till 11:59 p.m. Sunday night, okay? Eastern Time, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, Sunday night. And that is good for 25% off. And that's off the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. And as always, if you do take out a subscription, say a monthly subscription, and you want to upgrade to, say, an annual, or you want to upgrade, say, from a standard to a premium service, then you can do so, and we'll honor that promo code, the 25% promo code, as long as you do it within 30 days. Well, what a day. I only took a couple of trades, guys. One of the reasons is it was so fast and furious early on. Of course, we're all waiting at 10 o'clock Eastern Time. The big oil meeting was supposed to take place between the Saudis and Russia. And so everybody was really wondering what was going to happen. And so just at the very beginning, I'm going to look at some of these energy plays. There's CLR. So CLR popped. I mean, you can see 1425 got all the way up to 15. OVV, little one, 465 got up to 503. Don't think SPR. No, that's not really an oil play. Oxy, 1719 got all the way up to 1829. I mean, these are huge, huge moves. But then it started coming out that maybe there wasn't going to be a deal, okay? And so look at how all these plays at the beginning of the day, they just succumbed. And the interesting thing was that if you take a look at the tankers, FRO as an example, so FRO, and again, if you're not familiar with what these tankers do, of course, with a glut of oil on the market, there had to be a place to put them. So that's why these tankers, FRO, EURN, I usually look at FRO because that's kind of one of the bigger ones. But if you look at it on a
VNTR,
let's take a look at it on a daily chart. You can see from here. Look at the run it had, and again, this is because of the oil glut that was happening. So all these oil companies having to store their oil somewhere. So the tankers were just being full to the brim, and then all of a sudden, well, maybe there's a deal. Maybe there's a deal. Okay, and so. You could basically a counter trade. So if there was going to be a deal, then these tankers were going down. And if there wasn't going to be a deal, or the deal was not imminent like everybody wanted, look what happened to the tankers. Now they're starting to fall again. So this was a very emotional day to trade, certainly in the energy sector. And I had a lot of alerts happening right off the bat, 9:45, 46, 47, 48, 51. I mean, a lot of alerts happening all at once. Look at all the ones at 10:02. This is not usual for my watch list. Usually, even if I had this number of alerts, typically I don't have this amount or this number of alerts, but they're usually staggered a little bit more, so you can have a little more time to take a look at them. Anyway, the bottom line is that I really liked Real. Now, one of the reasons is that, of course, if you're in the room at all, you know that Real, one of the posters, subscribers to Trade Ideas, goes by the name Real in the trading room. A fantastic trader and guy, loves to help people. So I had to take this one long. Okay, so there was the alert at 889. I got in just at that 9 level and rode it up and then came out. I mean, it was a very quick trade. And I did try Matador. I thought Matador might, along with the oil, but look how choppy it is. I thought maybe Matador would start to run, and it did. It did eventually, but then this happened. So I got out of Matador with just a little loss. Actually, it was flat. That's right. It was flat on the Matador, 409, 409. But I wasn't able to really trade much because so much was happening. I was answering a lot of questions, which is okay. When we have a promo, we get a lot of people interested in the product and people wondering about auto trading and what's the difference between our standard service and our premium service, and do you need Brokerage Plus? Do you not need Brokerage Plus? You have to buy it. Let me just try to sum it up a little bit. This, for our standard service, if you don't care about auto trading anything, okay, be it my windows, which I always demonstrate the auto trading with this watch list. But if you don't care about auto trading, the standard service is fine. You don't have to buy Brokerage Plus. Brokerage Plus is part of the standard service, and so you're fine if that's all you want to do. You don't care about auto trading. If you do care about auto trading and you wanted to say auto trade my windows or an alert window that you create, you will need our premium service. And of course, if you have our premium service, then you will also get the AI alerts. Now the AI, has some interesting trades. I mean, the EFC, if you look at it, EFC at the very beginning of the day, and this, I was also saying that look where it got out. Exited at 11:12 from a 10 through. Well, that's not that bad, but I want to show you what happened. Remember, the alert happened at 9:35 at 10, and right there at 10:35. The stock went all the way up to 11:85. Did not get out until I think this level here. This is what I'm saying. People want to auto trade the AI. I'm just against it. I just think you should be managing the trades, certainly the exits, because nobody should be letting something, if you got in anywhere close to 1035 and the stock goes up to 1185, that's $1.50 on an $11 stock. You can't let it do this. Now, yes, it came back. Yes, it did. But who knew? I mean, you weren't 100% sure. I mean, that got just a bit above the entry price. This could have kept going down and down and down. So I'm just saying that, if this is a great watch list, I would watch it and I would trade it around. And I would make sure, though, that you don't let the AI take you out of a trade. I mean, you should be managing these trades. So that's my, I get on my soapbox all the time and talk about that. And so now you don't need Brokerage Plus. You don't have to buy Brokerage Plus unless you want to auto trade the AI. And again, it's up to you. I'm not going to, if you're bound and determined that you want to auto trade the AI, you can certainly do it. But then you would have to buy Brokerage Plus. It'll cost you $1,100 minus that 25% promo right now, and that's a one-time fee. Once you have it, it's yours for life. Even if you unsubscribe from Trade Ideas and then you come back, Brokerage Plus is still waiting for you. So again, to sum up, if you don't care about auto trading and you don't care about watching our AI, then all you need is the standard service. If you want the AI, you need our premium service, which would then also allow you to auto trade your own alert windows. And then you have to buy Brokerage Plus if you also want to auto trade the AI. Well, guys, I want to get back into the room, see what's going to happen later on. It's been an incredibly exciting day. Of course, we're winding it down. It's like a Friday, so we only have 3 hours left in the market. So I want to see if there's going to be a lot of activity. And that's it. So I want to bring back the capture program. And if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is the link for the free room. And don't forget, in the email you're getting, 25% off, promo code Easter egg, all in capital letters. I'll open the room 9 o'clock Monday morning. So I hope everybody has a great 3 days off. Bye-bye.